So the doorway has been opened up. You'll have seen that. I need to take out this old hatch, and I suspect that quite a bit of the ceiling is going to drop down when I do that. So there is a bit more dustiness to make, but I'm mostly there. The curtain's holding up well, the hoover's doing its job. I have brought up the spray bottle, some sand and some cement. I've got some bricks here, basically just to fill in some of these gaps. I'll probably leave these unless I really need to. They're not the end of the world there, but I might fill in back there and just down there at that point. I've got a little tuck pointer here and a trowel, just cheap home-based stuff, nothing too fancy or expensive. So I'll be spraying the walls down because they are very, very dry, and I don't want it sucking all of the moisture out of the mortar. So I will spray the walls down first, let that have a nice soak in, and then I can get a bed of cement going. I'm also going to put a bed of cement along this window ledge here, just to help hold things together. Right, well, I'm not exactly famed throughout the land for my brickwork, and thankfully it's not structural, but that is all tidied up there. I've put a bed across here which is now level. It's not kind of flat and smooth, but that's irrelevant because I'm going to be putting a windowsill on there. I've put some up there, and then I have filled these in because I had a bit of gear left over. Oh, and I've done a bit under there, just in these corners, just to tidy them up. To be honest, I could go around and do the entire room, and I don't think it would make a blind bit of difference. This is where I ran out of gear, but it really doesn't matter. It was just to fill it in and use it all up. So that's that done, and it is better, tidier, probably a little bit stronger. I'm going to take this doorway out now and see what I'm left with, and then it's probably time to say goodbye to the toilet so I can start ripping up the floor. So 2 rooms have become 1, which is lovely. Now my plan is still to overboard everything. I think I may have to take all the plaster off that section of wall there. To be honest, it seems relatively sturdy, but I'm going to assess that in a minute. What I'm going to do now is remove the toilet and this lino. And then I will probably remove the sink, although I am still using it, which is it's quite handy having that because it means I don't have to go anywhere else. So I may well leave that, but I need to get the flooring up to be able to run all the pipe work. So I think it might be time to say goodbye to the sink, just until we get the flooring down. We'll see. We will see. I should probably take that little bit of picture rail off as well. That'll help me decide whether or not what I do with the rest of it. That can come out. That was disconnected months ago. Years ago, actually. Years. God, how time flies. Right. I'm going to take the toilet out now, so I'll set you up in a time lapse.